Hey, you working? How you doing? It's been a while. Let's see if I know how to do a motor vlog. Welcome to Blue Bike Noise channel. Run that intro.
Yeah, wait a minute. Get it
Down
out
in here, 10 toes in, never getting on business. Hey, driver, dig down, driver. Hey, y'all, welcome back to Blue Bike Noise channel. I was 10 toes in and balls checking, whatever he says. Oh, me. I listen to all kinds of music. Hey, welcome back to the Blue Bike Noise channel. Well, we were out on December 14th. This is why everybody's depressed. The grayness and the darkness and all seeing this time of year. I'll be glad when springs get here. 3 months. January, February, March. Then April showers, rain, May flowers, right? It's 58 degrees. It's actually not that bad. Intermittent cloudiness. I think it's supposed to rain tomorrow, maybe. I don't know. Yep, 10 toes in and rolling. Hey, it's windy too. Oh, man. I wonder what Road Reality, John from Road Reality's doing. I know what I'm doing. Hey, you are. I was 10 toes in, rolling like a big dog. Oh, hey, how y'all doing? Welcome to Blue Bike Noise channel. Oh, do you know Christmas? Oh, me. How about oh, do you know Christmas wasn't always on December 25th? Nope, it wasn't always on December 25th. I just said that. It was a celebration. It didn't start celebrating on December 25th to 336 AD. What's he doing? Riding his motorcycle? Oh, I've not rode since Thanksgiving. And speaking of Thanksgiving, do you know dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sled? It's actually a Christmas Thanksgiving song. Let's take it back to the man in the shed and he can tell you about it. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Did you know Jingle Bells was actually a Thanksgiving song? Yep. And James Lloyd Pierpont wrote the song One Horse Open Sled in the mid-19th century. Mid-19th century. Then in 1857 was released. That don't make sense. But anyway, it was released under the title Jingle Bells. Maybe that would be 1957. Maybe. I don't know it all, but I know a lot. I Googled it on the internet machine. So, we doing, oh, do you know? So, oh, do you know Christmas facts? Some not so facts you might not know in the near future. It was in the past. So, see what the Shed Man said. Shed Man? Oh, do you know gift giving has been a it's actually a Christian and a pagan tradition origins. The gift giving was oh, do you know gift giving was actually a Christian and a pagan has its origin in Christian and how do you want to say it? It was both Christian and pagans tradition, I guess. Yeah, that's yeah, whatever. Hey, that is not what you think it is. What do you think it is? And you're probably wrong. It's something I'm making up. But oh, do you know we're talking about Christmas? Yep, you can you could not. Oh, do you know you can actually thank Prince Albert for the Christmas tree? Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Yep, Prince Albert. In 1848, Prince Albert and his family were sketched in front of a Christmas tree and published in the London News. From that, and was the Christmas tree was made into a fashionable after that. So that's why we got Christmas tree. Prince Albert. Is Prince Albert in the can? You got Prince Albert in the can? Well, you better go let him out before he suffocate. Oh, Lordy. GoPro stop recording. Better watch where I'm going. I bet that, seeing as a military, I bet they get some facts about WW2. Right. Oh, do you know that a Christmas gift during World War II actually saved people's life? Yep. Was a life-saving secret. During World War II, a playing card company came up with a gift to give out to soldiers, and to help. And then they had the cards with them during the. How'd that work out? I don't know, but anyway, the cards was passed out during World War II, and when they got wet, you peeled them apart, and it had showed you secret maps to escape routes. Don't believe me? Google it. Anyway, hope you haven't had. It's going to have a Merry Christmas. Yep. How about that? Playing cards that got wet has a map in them. That's American ingenuity right there. Any more facts from the man in the shed? What you know, Daryl? I started watching Walking Dead again. Just because there ain't nothing else on worth watching. But oh, did you know Coca-Cola played a big part in how Santa Claus looked? Did you know that, Daryl? You do now. But in the images of Santa Claus before in the early 1900s was depicted as a Stanley. Anyway, he wasn't chubby and jolly as till Coca-Cola printed an ad in 1931 with his plump, jolly old soul, and therefore Santa Claus was fat after that. So thank Coca-Cola for making Santa Claus flat. It ain't all the cookies and milk he eats and drinks on Christmas night, Eve. Yeah, Christmas night he's at home. Yeah, with Mrs. Santa Claus. Yeah, buddy. You got any more facts there, man, in the shed? I bet you do. Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Hey, oh, do you know Rudolph was a market employee by Montgomery Ward department store in 1939? Yep, they it was wrote by a book, and then the book became a marketing thing, and then later on somebody wrote the song about Rudolph with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Oh, do you know that? You do now. What's the name of the guy? I don't know, but we ain't talking about that. Merry Christmas. Yep, Santa Claus, puppy dogs. Well, there's the wise men's and the nativity scene. You know what? I bet you there's a, maybe, I don't know. See whatever facts a man in the shed's got about Christmas. Oh, do you know Christmas? Hey, did you know? Oh, do you know celebrating Christmas was actually used to be illegal in the Massachusetts Bay Area? You know, around Salem, I guess. That's been about that. I don't know. Anyway, between 1959 and 1680, from 1659 and 1681, it was illegal to celebrate Christmas, be merry. I guess, leads back to the pagan holidays, I guess. That's all I know. But then there, by the Revolutionary War, Christmas wasn't even celebrated yet and Congress worked on December 25th, 1779, or something like that. Rudolph with your nose on well, we can go see if anything else has got said. And let him close it out, the man in the shed. And we'll see you down the road. We'll break out the band-aids in the peroxide and then get ready to go to ER on Christmas. Christmas decoration sends nearly 15,000 people to the ER. You ever watch Christmas Vacation? That's why. Whew. Thankful I lived this long without being mauled by a Christmas decoration. Oh, Lordy. Merry Christmas. All right, we'll see you down the road. So go check out that video right about there. That one there. Hit the sky button over here. Sky button. You know what to do. We'll catch you on the next one. Later.